In 1986, OWL International introduced the first hypermedia product for the personal computer, called Guide. To advance this new technology, OWL worked closely with business customers to create hypermedia solutions for a variety of applications, including online document management, training, education, and presentations. Today, Guide is the basis for hundreds of hypermedia systems in companies like IBM, Ford, Bell Atlantic, Hewlett-Packard, and Procter & Gamble. We've created this program to introduce you to Guide and to answer some basic questions about hypermedia. One of the problems in dealing with vast quantities of information stored in computers is finding what you're looking for. Well, that's what Guide is all about. With Guide, you can arrange your information into interactive, three-dimensional documents. These documents can be cross-referenced or linked together so that information is combined, sequenced, or manipulated in virtually limitless ways. Links can be placed anywhere within your body of information. They help you organize your data and create a logical path or roadmap for people to follow. The links provide any successive layer of detail you want for your topics. And you can link topics together to show their association. For example, this would be invaluable to someone like a human resources manager who must update and distribute company personnel policies. New employees or anyone else who needed to know about changes in rules and regulations could easily access them from the computer. With Guide, people don't get buried in their information. They move through it quickly and choose just as much information as they need. Now, another exciting thing about hypermedia is that in addition to text, these electronic documents can include graphics and links to spreadsheets, to audio, animation, even full-motion video. This ability to link pictures and sound and video gives you a way to make your business communications more effective and your presentations more powerful. Here is a training application to give pilots a basic orientation about the systems of a high-performance aircraft. It incorporates written information as well as audio and full-motion video.
These are designed to improve operational capability and flexibility. Directly in front of me is a new wide-angle heads-up display. It provides the pilot with all the flight information and weapons aiming cues he needs to keep his head out of the cockpit and on his target.
Systems are selected from a menu, and sequences can be reviewed in any order or repeated.
The pilot can navigate and deliver weapons by using the infrared imagery displayed on the HUD. Directly below the HUD is the integrated control panel. It's placed for easy upfront access to the navigation computer.
What hardware do you need to create a hypermedia system with Guide? A 286 or 386 based PC, a mouse, and Microsoft Windows. With this configuration, you can create interactive text and graphics. But to link audio, photographic images, or full-motion video, you'll need some peripherals and the interfaces to connect them to your computer. For high-resolution graphics, you'll need a Super VGA display adapter. For audio playback, you'll need a soundboard and an audio source, such as a microphone, a cassette, or a CD player. And for full-motion video, you need a digital-based video board, like the VideoLogic DVA 4000. Then you can input images that have been stored on VCRs, video discs, CD-ROM, and other optical mediums. These devices can hold enormous amounts of data and can be used to store and distribute Guide documents. What else can you do with Guide? Corporate trainers can combine graphics with text to make their sessions more interesting. Professors can create interactive lessons for their students. Data processors can manage and distribute volumes of information that once was stored on paper. Here's an example of online documentation for a large fleet maintenance garage. The auto maintenance information once stored in hundreds of manuals can now be accessed from a computer station right in the shop. Links provide the mechanic with a way to quickly find information about systems and components. Parts are identified, and diagnostic and repair recommendations are given. And it also links actual audio and video instructions for assembly and service procedures.
Check all fuel connections for external leaks. Disconnect plug on enrichment compensator.
Guide provides real-time, on-the-job information to improve worker productivity. Another excellent application for hypermedia is new product demonstrations. Guide was selected by Microsoft and PC World to create this test drive demonstration of Windows 3.0. A guide program for responding to environmental emergencies is another example of combining information from many different sources. In the event of an oil spill, references are made to the geographical area and the size of the spill. All information relating to that zone is displayed. Notification rules as to who has to be contacted and how to get in touch with them. Cleanup resources available in that area gives the names of suppliers of chemicals and equipment. And actual video sequences provide orientation for people who will work on the site. Even information on oil containment procedures. The same principles of linking information are involved no matter what the size of the application. The possibilities are limitless. For developers and authors, Guide integrates the most powerful aspects of different mediums to present and distribute information. For the end user, it's a more efficient way to access knowledge. And for business, Guide is an information management resource that empowers people to do their jobs better. Hypermedia is not just a good idea waiting to happen. It's at work every day in some of the most successful and demanding companies in America. We invite you to contact OWL International for information on putting the power of Guide to work for you.